All right, here's our app, Pocket Therapy. This is for Johnny Wilker and Buster Townsend. Cool. So here's our slogan, bridging the gap from session to session. Pretty nifty. So obviously we didn't get everything finished that we wanted to, like we talked about. So I'm going to run through the therapist, the client, and then I'll just show you the sign-up page real quick because Buster was working on that as well. So first off, this is what the therapist would see. So essentially after they would log in, we'd authenticate and show that they're a therapist. So we'd pop this open, and this would be their opening view. So this is the therapist's name here, Janae. This is Buster's mom. So the therapist can come in and see recent activity of his clients, his or her clients, right? So we see Buster just added a comment, Johnny just completed an assignment. And again, this is all just static content for now. We weren't able to connect the database like we hoped. I'll show you, we have some database stuff that we've done, but didn't get it attached here. So we have these client cards. You can see some basic information on each client here as an overview. This will stack 4 across when there's more. So we're going to check out Buster's completed 9 assignments. He started with us in February. Let's go ahead and check out some of his information. So this is his detail. So we can see again, this is his recent activity, but just for Buster specifically. So a new session was created for him. He submitted some feedback. He completed an assignment recently. Then you can see here's a list of all the sessions we've had with him as a therapist. So us meeting with him as he's the client, we're the therapist. So we're going to check out his most recent session, number 3. And again, this is a very simple page. But you can see the different assignments that we've given him here. Well, I'm going to show you how we can add an assignment for Buster. So we can come in and put whatever we want. So yeah, let's say that's already there, but let's give him a mindfulness, or let's say something like meditation activity. We give a description. Make sure to do this in a quiet place, whatever. Then we could select the date. This is going to be a calendar picker. This is a random question. So then this is where you come in. You can click the different questions or metrics that you would like. Yeah, okay. So let's go ahead and let's jump back to, let's view it from the client side. So again, this is pretend Buster has come and logged in at this point. So Buster, he's got his name here, his recent activity. So this is his therapist he's working in. This is actually Buster's mom. So we can see some information we've got about her. She's a relationship counselor. We just had a session with her March 18th. Let's go ahead and view her specifics. So these are the sessions we've had with Janae. Will be our most recent session. And now we can see the assignments that she has given to us. So here's our, in the last session, she gave us 3 different assignments to work on because it was going to be a while since we would next meet with her. So let's check out this assignments here. So it's a meditation assignment. Take 10 minutes each day to meditate, some details. This is how long the assignment's going to last for. She wants us to run it for about 14 days. We're supposed to report 2 times a day. So this is going to allow us to come in and we can select. So this would run through all the way through the 30th. If we got the calendar picker working, we pick the date. Let's say we've done this meditation activity. We can pick, let's say we just had a really good round. We'd select a 5. And then we put in some of our emotions that we were feeling during it, and we'd submit that. Also, this is where we're going to have the report progress feature. We didn't get that finished, unfortunately. But this is the real meat of the project here, right? This is where we capture the user data. We can really track all their progress and improvement, or see patterns of problems that they might be having with certain assignments. And through that, we can just find out a lot of good information about this client and their specific thing that they're working on. And then just real quick, here's our sign-up page. Just asking for email, name, phone number, and password. So here's just some basic stuff. And this is pretty much the front end aspect of it. Great, thank you.